A very good morning to one and all present here. So the aim of our experiment is solvent-free microwave-assisted one-pot synthesis of phthalocyanine complex of copper. So this is the structure of phthalocyanine molecule bonding with copper. And these are some of the properties of phthalocyanine complex. This complex is of ink blue color and non-biodegradable in nature. And this reaction is showing the synthesis of copper phthalocyanine. So now let's start the experiment. So we need some of the chemicals like phthalic anhydride, that is of 59.2 mg or 0.4 millimole, urea 90 mg or 1.5 millimole, anhydrous copper chloride 13.4 mg or 0.01 millimole, and lastly the ammonium molybdate as catalyst 6 mg or 0.05 millimole. Now we are weighing each of the chemical in a weighing machine. Firstly, the phthalic anhydride, which we need 59.2 mg. And secondly, the urea, that is 90 mg. And the third one is cupric chloride, that is we need of 13.4 mg. And last the catalyst, ammonium molybdate of 6 mg. Now we transferred all the solid reactants in a pestle and mortar in a sequential manner and start grinding them. As the quantities of the reactants are very minute, so maybe you all are not able to see it clearly. Now we transfer the ground contents into a beaker and irradiate it with microwave and observe the changes after every minute. So if we talk about the green chemistry principle used in this experiment are firstly the safer solvent and auxiliaries. Here we have not used any of the solvent in this synthesis. Second is the design for energy efficiency. As we have heated our content in microwave which has no effect on environment. And the third is catalysis, as we have used ammonium molybdate as catalyst because catalytic reagents are superior to other stoichiometric reagents. So here you can see that we are opening the door of microwave in a gap of 1 or 2 minutes as we are observing the change in color of the phthalocyanine complex. You can see as we are heating it more and more, its color is changing into ink blue color. So after irradiation of 12 minutes, you can see it finally changes into ink blue color. We cool it for 5 to 10 minutes and transferred it on a paper. The copper phthalocyanine complex is ready. And now finally we have weighed our complex on a weighing balance and we found the yield of 0.092 gram. So this is the experiment. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.